Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set auto sleep in Windows 11. You will enter power in the search box, open Edit Power Plan. There, in the line, put the computer to sleep. If the value never is there, it means that the suspension will be disabled. Now display this field and choose one of the times to enable it in Windows 11. Click on Save Changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.